Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Theodore Jacobs.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Theodore Jacobs, and I'm here today to tell you all about Oral-B. Now, Oral-B is a very good product for your teeth. I say this because my teeth are perfect, because I use Oral-B. And not everybody should believe me, but I suggest that you, and certainly you, madam, over there with the Coca-Cola teeth, should be using my product because it is the best. Oral-B, not Aquafresh, not Colgate, not Aquafresh. Oral-B. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Free samples at the front of the stage. Free samples at the front of the stage. Why is no one coming to get my samples? Free samples! Free samples! Oh man, I should go into insurance.